Introduction: Python versus JavaScript.
Choosing between Python and JavaScript is a common decision for beginners. Both languages are popular, beginner-friendly, and have large communities, but their tools, uses, and learning environments differ. Understanding these differences can help you pick the right language for your coding journey. Let's explore their ecosystems from the perspective of a new programmer.
Getting started, installations and first steps.
Python is usually installed on your computer and run as standalone programs. Its standard tools like IDLE or Thonny are easy for beginners. JavaScript often runs in web browsers, requiring no installation for basic use. Many start learning JavaScript directly in browser consoles or online editors. Both have easy-to-use tutorials, but their setup experiences differ.
Development tools and editors.
Python and JavaScript both work with popular code editors like Visual Studio Code and Atom. For Python, specialized tools like Jupyter Notebook make experimenting simple. JavaScript developers often use browser developer tools and frameworks like Node.js for more advanced projects. As a beginner, you'll find friendly development environments available for both languages.
Community and learning resources.
Both languages benefit from strong, welcoming communities. Python is known for its clear, beginner-focused documentation and vast selection of educational resources. JavaScript benefits from an active web developer community, offering plenty of guides and forums. Whichever you choose, you'll have access to tutorials, code examples, and supportive peers.
Application areas and package libraries.
Python excels in data science, automation, and scripting. Thanks to libraries like pandas and requests, you install packages using pip. JavaScript is the backbone of web development, using NPM to manage packages and frameworks like React or Vue. Your language choice will shape the types of projects you explore as a beginner.
Making your choice as a beginner.
If you want to build websites, JavaScript is essential. If you're interested in data, automation, or just want a gentle introduction, Python may feel friendlier. Both ecosystems are rich, well-documented, and supportive. The best way to decide is to try out small projects in each and see which feels right for you.